Hey folks, welcome back. So today we're back here in the high tunnel doing a little bit of work, and what I want to do is build a little storage kind of thing for some of the hand tools that I regularly use in here, like the hoe, rake, stuff like that. And for that, it's just simply going to be some boards that I'm going to hook to our studs over here, and then it'll have little hooks or screws or something that I can put this stuff on to get it hung up out of the way. But it'll still be easy to access in here. And so first things first, we're going to get the mill fired up and cut ourselves a couple boards. Probably should have brought a level out with me. Well, yeah. Okay. I'll be back with a level. So now I'm going to put the other board down here low, because when this stuff's hanging up here, it's going to have a tendency to want to possibly lean in, and that'll just keep the stuff out away from the plastic so it's not smacking into there and wearing holes in it. This will also, if I have something shorter, I could just lean it up against this lower one instead of hanging it. It'll give me something I can kind of rest stuff against. If I don't want to bother with hanging it up, that'll do something for that too, I guess. Multi-purpose. I had that in the plan all along. Alright, next thing to work on is, like I mentioned in a previous video, I want to try stringing these things up, kind of like I did with the tomatoes. And so I'll just use some string, tie it up to the cross pieces up there, and then see if I can get the cucumbers to grow up those. I'm not sure if it'll work or if it's a good idea, but you know, why not give it a try and see what happens. And as you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of length on these vines here, so I want to go ahead and get those tied up and started up the string before they get too long and too unmanageable. Alright, and the last thing that we're going to work on for today is once again getting trimmed up all the way around the high tunnel, getting all this stuff knocked back, especially along the edges so it's not growing into it. Alrighty folks, well that is about going to wrap it up for today. I did want to say one thing real quick, that I think I'm going to be just doing a Saturday video for the time being instead of Wednesday and Saturday like I've been doing the last couple months or so. I'm working on a couple projects that are taking a little bit longer than I would have liked them to, so I don't have quite enough stuff to do 2 videos a week right now, but once I get that stuff wrapped up, maybe we'll go back to it, but I'll see how things are going at that point. So that is going to do it for today's video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.